Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about tonsil stones. As you may or may not know, my girlfriend Kelly has struggled with tonsil stones for about a year now. Let's take a look at some footage. While you watch, please click that subscribe button. Much of our content is age restricted, so clicking subscribe, then hitting the notification bell is the only way to see our best medical videos. So there are two primary ways to remove tonsil stones, and both involve a tonsil stone removal tool like this. However, you do have options when ordering. Some people just buy the lighted pick. It's about $10 on Amazon Prime if you get it from a reputable American seller. It comes with backup batteries, several different heads, and a cool carrying case. We'll leave links below. You can go deluxe for a few more dollars. It includes all that, plus a 10-pack of nitrile gloves and a dental irrigator to flush out stones. Some people say it works like a charm to get rid of that excess debris. So leave your comments below. Which pick do you prefer? Do you think gloves are necessary for tonsil stone removal? That's a great deal either way. Speaking of tonsil stones, here are some of Reddit's top pops and removals. Some of these people definitely need an irrigator and gloves, but to each his own. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell for new videos every single week. See you next time. Hey folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
My name is Gabby, and I have been doing Restmore for almost a year and a half now, and I'm really persistent on this product. I love it. It has made me swear I just take 2 of them, and in about 30 minutes or so I am relaxed and I can go to sleep very well. It doesn't make me necessarily knocked out and completely drowsy, but it definitely puts my mind and my body in the right state to where I can go to sleep in a relaxed and calm state.